Okay, sagutin natin 'tong comment na 'to, na yung $4,000 for a funnel project daw is too good to be true. And if totoo yun, sobrang generous naman ni client. Well, ganito kasi yan, when you provide real value to your clients, the price makes sense. Kasi yung funnel, hindi lang yan basta-bastang pretty website or landing pages. It's a system designed to attract leads, convert them into paying customers, and literally grow a business 24/7. So if you think about it, a well-built funnel can bring thousands, even millions of revenue to a client. So yung ininvest nila na 4,000 USD for something that generates that much return, that's not generosity, that's smart business. At alam nyo ba na yung mga clients who understand the value don't see it as expensive. They see it as worth it. So yes, possible talaga yung 4,000 for a funnel project. And it all really depends pa rin dun sa quality ng service na binibigay mo.